Do you actually know if your auto repair shop is profitable? And I don't mean what your bank account says or what your software says. I mean truly profitable. Because most shop owners, they think they are until they start asking a few simple questions. So let's walk through those questions, and if you can't confidently answer them, there's a good chance your shop isn't as profitable as you think. On the surface, everything can look fine. You're busy, cars are coming in, money's coming in, but being busy isn't the same thing as being profitable. Profitability is what's actually left over after everything is accounted for, and that's where things start to get a little unclear for a lot of shops. First question, do you actually know the true profit after everything? Not just revenue, not just what's in your bank account. I'm talking about labor, parts, overhead, payroll taxes, rent, software, and paying yourself properly. Because a lot of owners look at their bank accounts and think, we're doing pretty well, but your bank account isn't your profit. You can have cash and still be underpricing, overspending, or slowly losing margin without realizing it. If you don't have a clear number for true profit, that's a problem. Second question, do you know which jobs in your shop are actually making you money? Brakes, diagnostics, engine work, maintenance. Most shops have pricing for all that, but very few actually break it down and understand profitability at that level. So what happens is you stay busy doing a lot of work that might not even be that profitable, or worse, it could be dragging your margins down. If you don't know what's profitable, you can't really optimize anything. Third question, do you actually know your labor rate? Not what you charge on paper, what you actually collect after inefficiencies, downtime, comebacks, all of it. Because it's really common for a shop to say, we charge $130 an hour, but when you break it down, they might only be collecting 85 or 95, and that gap is where a lot of the profit disappears. Fourth question, when you're making decisions in your shop, are they based on real numbers or just gut? Hiring someone, giving raises, buying equipment, expanding, a lot of these decisions feel right in the moment. But if you don't have solid financials behind them, there's still guesses. And as your shop grows, those guesses get more and more expensive. Fifth question, do you know what you're going to owe in taxes before the end of the year, or is it a surprise every time? Because if taxes only come up when you file, you're reacting, not planning. That's how a lot of shop owners end up writing checks they weren't ready for or missing opportunities to reduce what they owe. Tax strategy should be happening throughout the year. And last question, are your numbers actually up to date right now? Not from a couple months ago, not from last quarter, right now. Because this is another really common situation. The books are behind, or reports take too long, or things just aren't fully accurate yet. So even if you want to make a good decision, you're working with outdated information and you just can't run a business effectively that way. So if you're hearing this and you're thinking, yeah, I don't really have clear answers to most of those, you're not alone. That's actually where a lot of shop owners are. And it's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's just that most businesses don't have a system in place to really track and understand those numbers. Because it's not just filing taxes once a year, and it's not just categorizing transactions. It's having clear, accurate, up-to-date numbers and actually understanding what they mean. What's working, what's not, where your money's going, and what you should be doing next. So if you're a do-it-yourself type, that's totally fine. We've got plenty of resources to help you work through this and better understand your numbers. But if you're at the point where you want accurate numbers and better decisions without having to do it all yourself, that's where we come in. At CSI, our goal is to give you clear, up-to-date financials, help you understand what they actually mean, and guide you toward better decisions as you move forward. We've got a few links below you can check out, whether you want to learn more or just get a better feel for where you're at. And if you want to talk it through, you can always schedule a consultation, even if you're just trying to get an idea of what this could look like for your shop.